Alright, today we're going to do Metal Mayhem painting. This is going to be a white gesso on the bottom. Now what this is going to allow is all the paint colors afterwards to go smoothly. Alright, so the question of the day is, what is pointillism? Let's run through the colors. Acrylic, Brilliant Green, Interactive Cadmium Orange, Interactive Blue Black. Let's get the party started. So the question of the day was, what is pointillism? Pointillism is it's one of the styles that came out of Impressionism, basically. So Impressionism is kind of the master overall arcing style of that era, where they kind of painted in short brush strokes, and they did kind of alternating color. Instead of blending the colors smoothly, they would put like blue and white next to each other to make like a light blue. So pointillism takes on the same kind of theory in that you kind of put blue and white next to each other to make a light blue, red and blue next to each other to make a purple. And the idea is that instead of mixing these colors by putting these, it vibrates almost more intensely than if you had blended the colors. So basically Surratt was one of the major practitioners back in, I want to say the 20s, I'm not sure. I should have looked it up first. Anyway, it was abandoned later because it's highly technical, and the styles just moved on to Cubism and later Abstract Expressionism. So that's my take on pointillism. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, we just finished our painting. Let's take a closer look. So this one has this black, blue color, orange, and green. I really like the balance in this one. I think it's quite well. It's interesting because it's the first one out of the series, which you'd figure you do the weakest, but actually I think, you know, from my viewpoint, this is probably the strongest out of the 4 paintings, but hopefully you guys like one of them. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching.